Hi, I'm Marv from Marv's Fixit shop. I've been bringing broken things home for over 50 years, and you don't need experience to try to fix things on your own. This channel is for people who feel intimidated by tools or repairs. I'm here to show you that it's okay to make mistakes. Learn as you go and actually enjoy fixing things yourself. I post videos showing real, imperfect repairs. No fancy tricks, no pressure to be perfect. We focus on the process so you can gain confidence, one project at a time. Subscribe if this feels like your kind of place, or just watch along and learn at your own pace. Either way, welcome to the shop. Let's fix things together, one project at a time.